Hello and welcome to Moneycontrol. The stock we are talking about today is AU Small Finance Bank. The stock of AU Small Finance Bank had a tepid performance so far. In the past 9 months, the stock has declined by 11% as against 5% gains in the Nifty and 16% in the Bank Nifty. Post-COVID, however, growth is picking up. The three key retail products, namely Wheels, secured MSME and home loans that together form a little over 76% of the book, grew well in the second quarter. Whereas the commercial banking book, on a much smaller base, has also grown strongly, driven by business banking, agri-SME, NBFC, and the real estate group. Interestingly, close to 94% of the book is secured, lending adequate comfort despite being relatively better yielding. Deposit profile is also improving, with CASA rising to 43% of the total deposits from 31% in the year-ago quarter. The bank now has 74% of its deposits coming from low-cost CASA and stable retail term deposits. Thanks to the improving liability profile, the bank has maintained its cost of funds in this fiscal year despite a steep hike in systemic rates. Asset quality continues to provide comfort, with collection efficiency improving and restructuring book declining. Given the economic outlook, which is steadily improving, we expect credit costs to remain benign. In line with some of its private sector peers, the bank has been investing aggressively towards digital initiatives as well as distribution expansion. Although cost-to-income ratio has perked up, investing for the future is an imperative in building a bank that stays competitive in the future. Post this investment phase, we expect the benefit of operating leverage to kick in that should support a higher ROA. Finally, it has recently raised capital, thereby preparing to grab market share as the economy comes out of the shadows of the pandemic. With all the ingredients in place for a successful journey, perhaps the optically expensive valuation is a dampener. However, given the bank's hunger for growth with quality, we see a steady earnings growth in the next 5 years, making the stock an ideal long-term investment opportunity. Moreover, the current valuation is at a discount to the IPO valuation of 2017.
1st February 2023, the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will present the last full union budget before 2024 elections. India's most awaited financial event comes in the midst of global slowdown, inflation, liquidity tightening, geopolitical tensions, and re-emergence of COVID-19. Will India look to fire up its manufacturing? Will India build a moat against global uncertainties? What will the budget have for the middle class? Watch the complete coverage of Budget 2023. Real-time analysis, expert takes all day on Moneycontrol. Log on to www.moneycontrol.com for more.